Hello children. Today we will discuss a topic that is compound microscope. It is a device which is used to see the very minute objects, very small objects. It is used in a lab to see the biological specimen or very other small objects. The construction of the compound microscope is that it consists of two convex lenses. This lens is known as objective because object is placed in front of it. AB is object. Incident ray of light, optical centers, center of the lens C1. Image of the object is A dash B dash. It is denoted by VO. Second lens is known as eyepiece lens. The focal length and aperture of the eyepiece is more than the focal length of objective lens. This is incident ray of light, optical center C2. It is produced backward. It is also produced backward. So at this point, final image A double dash B double dash is formed. This is focus of the eyepiece lens. Distance of the object for the eyepiece, this is UE. Image VE, this is equal to least distance of distinct vision. Now we can say this is point P. It makes an angle alpha at the point C2. This final image A double dash B double dash makes angle beta with the point C2. So we can write magnifying power that is equals to angle made by image to the angle made by object. We can use the property angle theta is equal to L by R. So we can write it as tan beta divided by tan alpha. So magnifying power tan beta is equal to A double dash B double dash upon A double dash C2. Tan alpha is A double dash B divided by A double dash C2. So we get magnifying power A double dash B double dash upon A double dash P. In the diagram, A double dash P, this is equal to AB. So we can write magnifying power this is equal to A double dash B double dash upon AB. Multiply and divide by A dash B dash. So we can write it as A double dash B double dash upon A dash B dash into A dash B dash upon AB. So magnifying power this is equal to, this is image of the eyepiece, object for the eyepiece. This is magnification for the eyepiece. This is image for the objective. This is object for the objective. This is magnification for the objective. Now this is equation number first. We have to find ME and MO. So we can write MO is equal to A dash B dash upon AB. This is equal to A dash B dash. This is VO. AB is, this is minus UO. Now we can find ME. So ME is equal to A double dash B double dash upon A dash B dash. So ME is equal to, we can write here, this is minus VE minus UE. VE upon UE. VE is equal to D. So this is D by UE. For the eyepiece lens, we can write here 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So V is equal to minus D, U is in the left side. So we can write here minus 1 by D plus 1 by UE is equal to 1 by FE multiplied by D both side. So now we can write here minus 1 plus D by UE is equal to D by FE. D by UE is equal to 1 plus D by FE. So magnification is written as minus VO upon UO into 1 plus D by FE. This is the value of the magnification of the objective. This is value of magnification for the eyepiece. Now length of the microscope is given as this is equal to VO plus UE.